Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Braai.
And welcome to our channel, The Screaming Pugs. So today we are gonna make
Potato salad.
potato salad with condensed milk. This is the catch with condensed milk. So if you go to like any braai in South Africa, there's gonna be two things: a braai broodjie and potato salad. And you always get that one tannie that shows up with this awesome potato salad that has condensed milk in, and no one wants to tell you how they make it.
Yeah, so okay, this is gonna be like a mix of recipe Megan found and she altered it to her own taste.
They want like a whole jar of mayonnaise in it, guys, like cholesterol. That's just way too much.
Yeah, we're trying to diet a little bit. Failing,
You can
but
see. So yeah, here's what you're gonna need. Okay, so firstly you're gonna need some potatoes. We're gonna use about 8 of these. Then you're gonna need an onion. You're gonna need 3 hard-boiled eggs. You're gonna need salt and pepper to taste. You're gonna need half a can of full cream unsweetened condensed milk. And the original recipe I saw once, like this full 750 grams like container of mayonnaise. This is way too much. So I'm gonna like throw in like maybe half of it. We'll see how I feel when we do this. And then lastly, you need actually 2 tablespoons of powdered mustard, but we couldn't get anywhere. So I googled and they say like Dijon mustard is gonna be just as good. So here's what you do.
okay, so I'm gonna cut our egg into little pieces. It'll work, I think. So I'm gonna chop my onion into little pieces. This is my egg. It came out sort of like I wanted it, kind of.
It's gonna crumble when you throw everything together.
Ta-da!
Okay, so on to the last step. Okay, so first step's gonna be to throw in our mayonnaise. The recipe I checked specifically said like Cross and Blackwell, but I guess like any mayonnaise will do. And I'm gonna do like half of this because like this like seems so much already.
Yeah, diabetes is waiting for us.
Oh, this is cholesterol here. So this is about half. I'm gonna say just like under half of one of these. Okay, second step is to throw in half of a can of condensed milk. This is killing me a little bit. Okay, next step will be to add 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, but because we don't have, I'm just gonna add 1 big teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then the last thing will be to add salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all together.
Okay, so this is our finely chopped eggs and onions. So I'm gonna add this to our mix. And stir everything together.
So we put the potatoes in a bigger bowl. So we're just gonna add all of this in there and mix it all together. But remember to mix it gently, otherwise your potatoes might turn into mash. And you're just done. It looks really good. I'm kind of scared to taste it because even though it's always good at like other people's places, like we made this.
Okay, so potato salad is done. It's now time for a taste test.
I'm nervous.
That's good.
It was actually good. It looks worse than it tastes, I promise.
So it's not really sweet.
It's sweet.
Not a bad sweet, it's a good sweet.
It's a good sweet.
It's like oniony. You can really taste the onions.
I was kind of scared because we have to take this to my sister's house now for a braai, so it really like didn't have like. It's important that it tastes good.
Eat it now.
Oh, the potato's gone. Like a mouthful of onion and egg. That's a bunch of onion. Grinded the chocolate.
Yeah, I don't know the word about small onions. It's always like kind of thickly chopped.
So we're training him. We're training him.
But that was actually really good.
Yeah, would recommend. Definitely, if I have the heart to sacrifice some condensed milk instead of like just eating it, I would definitely like make this again.
Yeah, and let us know if you want to see some more salads.
Yeah, with like Braai slaai, we're like considering this section because there's just so many things you can make. There's a new one we got with butternuts, like it's good. We were like freaked out by it because it looks like one of those things that comes out of the 80s or the 70s, but it tastes good, so we really want to put that out there too.
Yeah, I was really skeptic about it, but I think I went for seconds. But
yeah, I know I did. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. If there's any like salad recipes you guys want to see, let us know.
And also remember to like and subscribe our videos. Thanks a lot.
Please and thank you.
Bye.
Bye. My mom wants us to remind you that it's free once again.